Do you want to know how you can add events or games on favorites using 1xBet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add events or games to your favorites in 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, then go to 1xBet.com. The next step is to log into your account, and you can see some of the events and games over here. To add them to favorite, you can click on this favorite option, which you can see, and it will be placed over here on your favorites bar. So let me give you another example. I want to keep this game between Chosun University and Hangyan University to my favorites, so I'll go ahead and click on this add event to favorites, and it will be moved to this section, which is your favorite box. You can also click remove all and remove your favorites as well. So guys, this is how you add games or events to favorites using 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.